Hey guys, so my desk is broken, but I know how to fix it. But my aunt, you know that slime that I made? She took some of it, like I made her some, because she asked me to, and she made 2 stress balls. No, what's wrong with that? She said one for me to keep, which is squishy, and one is tougher, so I'm keeping the squishy one. You know me, I like squish. So she said I could cut this one open. I'm scared, and it turns blue when you squish it, if you can see that. So I'm going to do the pinch corner method. Okay. Well, I guess I can keep the slime that's inside of it. It won't get off me. Ah. Okay.
Here's the damn ox cord I told you,
Okay, I think I'm gonna have to make a bigger sensation. So let's make a bigger incision. Cut up. Okay, so it's coming out pretty good. Oop. Okay, so it's hot. And when it gets hot, it gets really sticky. Don't play with it. Okay, yeah, it's getting sticky. But there, and then there's another balloon. I guess the first balloon popped or something, so nothing's going to waste though, trust me. I'm going to try to soup all the stuff out. But get all the stuff out, and yeah, hopefully it will work. I think that goes to the trash, even though there's still some in it, but I can't get it out, so. And a tip, so to get unsticky, just roll it into a ball like this, and you'll make it unsticky. I love this stuff. It's like so fun to play with and squish. This stuff is the same when you squish it. Except this one don't stick to your fingers, unlike this one. Okay.
You gonna take a shower in that baby? Bath?
Yeah, in a minute. He don't know that I was doing a YouTube video, does he? No. I will hang on blank. And I'm gonna play with it without talking so you can get the full experience. I'm gonna use mine mixed with mine that I made before. So let's get it out. And you can play your own music if you want, or headphones to get better. Okay, so that's the full experience that I heard, if you could hear it. And I want to put all this in a balloon, but it's just not going to happen. And look how it's so runny when it's sticking to your hands. But I love this one. I like how it turns colors. See? That's how it was before. Not blue, but then it's blue. And it's really cool. Okay, it's flat. I'll give you what it looks like. Okay, got it out. My favorite thing to do with it is roll it up in a ball, on a perfect ball, and just toss it like this. And me and my friends toss it to each other and put it on things to see if it will come off. So I'm gonna put some pennies, 2 pennies in it, and squish it in it and play with it for a bit until I can't feel them or see them. And then I'm gonna try to get it out. I don't know what the name is gonna be. I guess cutting the thing a homemade and playing with this one. I don't know. Let's see, I can't find it. Here, I found one. Here's one. See if I can focus. I found it. Oh, I found 2. That's all that I put in there, so that means I found all of them. So, peace. Crap, it's still videoing. Okay, that did not work. Peace.